Run in at the church. Oh, them coulda run in at the church. Oh.
Alright, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. What channel, man? Hey! Masicka, Ghenaside, Lee Sparta, Link Up, Popcaan, Unruly, in a thing called Unda Dirt. Them coulda run in at the church. Whoa! Hey, anytime Popcaan say whoa, you know. But y'all ever realize that any remix or any collaboration that Popcaan get on, like the one with him and Protégés, bad, you know, man. But anyhow, Popcaan sings the hook in this one, and Masicka gets first verse, and Lee take the last verse. The song bad. The song bad. Not only is the song bad, the concept is bad. I think that Corona has forced a lot of people to get creative, because when we had free range, when there was no Corona restrictions, man could have fly go all over the place and film videos, different locations. Now that their movement is somewhat limited, not only has it forced them to be more creative in their concept of how they bring across the visuals, but it also has grounded some people where them not so busy anymore, so them can now link up and work, because you know Popcaan stayed on the go, you know Masicka stayed on the go, and of course Lee dead so but him busy as well. So 3 busy artists get to sit down in a time like this is a good look for dancehall. And like I said, Popcaan sings the hook on this one, Masicka gets the first verse, and Lee take the last verse. Can we first talk about the unity? Can we first talk about the unity? Popcaan and Lee, straight from the Gaza family. What me say? Popcaan and Lee, straight from the Gaza family. Yeah, man. I hit you know. That's right there. And then Masicka, who many believe were against Vybz Kartel or was dissing Kartel, is now working with his 2 loyal children. So, any beef what did exist before is certainly over now. Don't forget to know, enough Gaza loyalists did withdraw them support for the Ghenaside boss. You see me? Now remember, his manager, the infamous Corey Todd, him did make a bag of wrong talk in recent times. And people were saying, yo, Masicka fly past in place. Go for which crown? What you talk about? And the boss just endorse your thing and tell you go road you and you want what? You want war the boss. Just so. Build up your thing some more, man. You're not ready for a Vybz Kartel league. So many people, whether it's true or not, took it personal, and they did withdraw their support for Masicka. I don't think Masicka really cares still, because he has now built his own audience, even though I would say that majority of the people that listens to Masicka music also are big Vybz Kartel fans as well. Anyhow, so Masicka, the people were saying, yo, Masicka, mind the boy Corey Todd poison your career, you know. Link with the Gaza. You want them as friends, not foes, because you know how that goes. Well, I guess Masicka has been listening to the people them, because see it you know, Unda Dirt, Masicka verse, the man say, strap up with me own a thing, the chroma rinse like wet clothes, gunshot when we catch foes, grave a dig, them gala left rows. Close range, yeah, we get close. From me a little bit of boy, we a make ghosts. Well lyrical, but that's Masicka though. Masicka is known to be lyrical. He's one of the baddest lyricists in the game, honestly. And the way how he flips his words and metaphors, and the way how him also actually tells stories. But his strong point is how he's able to paint a vivid picture with his words. So in other words then, him go on good panda one here. You see me? Lee now, you know it's a dark and evil, a theme thing that. Gothic. Well, that's in his element. The eye them a roll over in the video, and that growl, every time I hear that growl, I think demons emerging from a dark pit in the center of the earth. Just the growl. You know what I say? Lee give us about 3 different flow, you know, in the one verse, you know. Him even use the gypsy technique, you know, like what Kartel use in a fever. Remember Kartel in a fever when him say, Millipi, Wallapa, Yulupu, Philippi, Falapa, Millipi, come on my yard, something. Philippi, Dilipi, Bellepes, Followpuck. In other words, me want you follow me, come on my yard for the best fuck. But the way how him flip it, it was able to go mainstream without them actually trying to say, hey, that's profanity, you have to take that out of the song. So, him even went dessa in a this. See? Tommy Lee do him thing. The video concept, sick. The hearse, the pastor spin round and I throw dirt pan grave. In dessa. Like somebody get buried in a desolated warehouse somewhere. The concept was well sold. I love these videos that are coming out lately because the video them are starting to be more upgraded. Them look more like mini movies now. As right as which they should. Right? Dancehall vibes. With about 1 million blanks a bus in at the end. So at the end of the video they have where, you know, when we in our dancehall mode and we are go bam, 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 bam. Now if you can imagine a group of people I say bam, 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 bam. That's how when verse shot. That's how when tune are banging. Yeah? And they had that incorporated into the video as well. The chemistry on record with all three of these powerful young artists. More bigness for dancehall, that's all this could be. And shout out to Popcaan. I don't know if that was Drake's voice in the break part in a Tommy Lee verse. Or no, listen to it and tell me if it was. But anyway, shout out to Popcaan for this. You know, some people heal you one time they're either their stars fading or them heal you when them need a strength from you, but they don't remember you when they're at the top of the game. It is my belief that Popcaan right now is the global face of dancehall as in new generation stuff. Yeah, of course, you have Vybz Kartel kids them coming up and these kind of thing, but Poppy dead there already and him put in the work. And remember Vybz Kartel this one time say a Popcaan him a pass the crown to, well, Sita. Alright, so it's a good look. It's a good look for dancehall. It's a good look because of the unity. It's a good look to see Ghenaside link up with Sparta, link up with Unruly, and of course, like I said, Gaza family is a big move. Talk up and tell me what you think about the whole tune in the comment section. And remember this, if you're not a dancehall fan, I don't want to see you in the comment section and talk about all the glorification of guns and music, and you the same person who is going to sit there in your house and watch a movie. We have a bunch of white people in it. We kill about 50 people before the movie is over. And you're there talking about, yo, wicked and a dog, a bad assassin, that and that. And them kind of something there. You big up other people thing, but you shun your own. Me understand. So we have a murder problem in Jamaica. But like I said before, SouFLoTV, I'm not the one that believes in the censorship of art. Because even though it sounds like we are glorifying our demise, and even though it seems like the youths who gravitate towards them, the lifestyle, they like this kind of music because it resonates with what it is they do, a lot of us out here are sensible people who know that we listen responsibly and that this is not us saying it's okay to murder people. You see it? Alright, so big up on yourself. Leave your comments in the comment section below. You don't know already, you know. It's SouFLoTV. And what we say? You coulda run in at the church. Oi! I'm out. Peace.